Hi, welcome to a new vlog. This week, it's actually 2 weeks. It's really random. I did a lot of really different things, and like I think what I've realized in posting a vlog only every 2 weeks is that it becomes a very random very easily. But I don't hate it. It's kind of fun. So you're gonna that's also why I decided to film the intro after, because I wasn't really sure what I was gonna do. But yeah, so in this vlog I went on a small tiny hike and drew some nature and then picked like some little moss and stuff for some diorama that we might do one day. We started our collection of like tiny moss, tiny rocks before it's winter and we can't pick anything. And then what else did we do? Oh, I received all the stuff we ordered, like all the organization stuff from IKEA, and then my Siser Juliet, my cutting machine for stickers. I received that, so you can see the unboxing. I was really excited. I did some organization. The studio is way more clean now than it was. And what else? Little VTT drive. And probably some other stuff that I forgot. Oh yeah, I went on a boat trip. I went on a boat trip because my husband had to do some health exam for his paperwork, anyway, for his visa, permanent residency, sorry. Yeah, so we went on a boat trip because there's no hospital where we live, so we had to go to the closest town that has a hospital, and it's a 2 days boat trip, like on a giant ferry. Very interesting thing. And yeah, so I was drawing in that boat trip, and then I created a new character. Actually, first time I create a character that isn't an animal, so I hope you're gonna like it. I'll post more about that character soon. Also, what else happened in this 2-way vlog? I think that's it. Also, just unrelated to this vlog, but I finally launched the new tier on my coffee. It's coloring pages mostly, all the digital rewards, including mostly coloring pages. Oh my god. So for this month there's 2 pages and 2 coloring pages, and then 1 weekly planner that you can color, and also a mini comic that you can color if you want. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description below, and then you can take a look at it if you want. Next month will be probably coloring pages again. It's always gonna be coloring pages, at least 2, and then a mini comic page. But then the third thing is gonna change. So this month was a weekly planner. Next month is gonna be memo pad that you can print, like a memo sheets. I'm thinking about making 4 that fits in a regular A4 paper, so you can just print it, cut it. I might offer it colored already, as this one is kind of annoying to have to color it every time, but I thought I can also offer the non-colored version in case you want to color it yourself on your iPad and print it, something like that. I think I'll probably put both together. I need to start working on that. Maybe for next vlog I'm gonna be working on that. And yeah, that's it, I think. I'm a little lost with the vlogs, so like I have plans of stuff I want to do. I received a lot of paper that I want to do some reviews with my cutting machine and everything, but I don't really know what kind of sticker to make to do the test, so I haven't done anything yet. And yeah, so if you have any ideas of stuff you want to see regarding the cutting machine, let me know. I'm planning on making new notepads and memo sheet stuff cut with the machine, so I'm gonna try that. And also I want to make for December, for my coffee members, I want to do a greeting card, so I'm gonna try cutting it also using this machine. But I want to make sure also you can cut it by hand, so I'm gonna have to test both. But yeah, I might make a test with mine on cardstock and try to cut it, in case you have a cutting machine and you want to do it like that. But yeah, I'll have to see. So that's it. I'll leave you with this vlog and I'll see you again at the end. And yeah, enjoy. It's a long vlog. There's gonna be music and a bit of chatting, but yeah, it's long. What's this?
Ah, ça c'est pour beaucoup varier.
Yeah, this is not for the office.
Non, c'est ça, les office. Et là, moi, je savais pas, vous prenez.
Hey, regarde.
Hey, ça se passe pour les autres, ça, quand même.
Oh, I was filming with this for now. But you can put it like, yeah, somewhere
Ouais,
there.
ben, on va te laisser faire d'abord.
Yeah! Oh, the rolling. Quelle poubelle?
C'est toi qui as acheté cette poubelle-là ou c'est toi?
Ça doit être moi.
Je sais plus.
Mets-moi pour en haut. Oh! That's for you. Your cable management.
Nice.
Hey, c'est
so cute. It's pink. What's this? Oh, this is for the kitchen, Mandy. The kitchen. Oh, this is for the. This is pour les fermer les sacs.
Ah, ok.
Ah, this is the cutest thing. Oh my god. Oh my god, a mini garbage. We don't see on the box what this is in, but this is the precious. The famous card. Ah, this is for our toilet. Ah, the little basket. No. Ah, the plants, it's for the this tiny plant holder. The little fake plants. Cutie. Yeah, so cute, so cute, so cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. Ah non, mais pour vrai, mais voyons. Mais voyons. Aïe, aïe. So miniature. Ah non, mais c'est quoi de plus cute que ça, dans le fond?
Oh, ça, je pense que tu veux garder ça.
Ben oui, il me connaît bien. Curlic. Curlic. So we just received like all of the stuff and so exciting. I don't know. My mom unboxed everything, sadly. She didn't know I wanted to film it, but it's all in the little packages. I still have to build the little card, unbox the Siser cutting machine. Siser, how do you pronounce that? I don't know. But yeah, oof, so fun. So much work though. Oh my god, there's so many boxes and stuff. Ugh. And like everything is a mess. Everything is a mess everywhere. Look, all this. It's terrifying. All this. I'm gonna get there. I have so many little boxes now to pack everything. And I have like 12 different package of sticker paper that I want to try. So I'm gonna make a review of that definitely eventually. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox it and like film it at the same time for the paper. I hope I bought nice one. I kind of semi-looked at the review. But it should be fine. It looked all great. And yeah, I think that's it for now.
Train just left this town while I'm slowly heading back to my apartment. I'm not asking for your thoughts, I'm just thinking out loud in the darkness. Ooh, there's no point, 'cause we both know. Ooh, from here there's nowhere to go. Someone said you're like candy, nor the pain. It's the only thing that tells me I'm breathing.
Okay, it is now time to unbox the cutting machine. I don't know where to put my camera. I need my stand. But okay, maybe this is fine. Okay. Oh wait, I need scissors. A little cutter. Okay. So new. Okay, let's. Okay, this is already good. Can you see? Wait, how do I take it out? It's too exciting. Oh. Okay, so where's the top? Wait, I don't know. Okay. Leonardo Design Studio. Woo. Wow. Okay, what's this? Welcome to the future of making. There's like this box inside that I don't know, is it a software? Oh wait, there's like many things. Power cord, power supply, accessories, and then documents. Oh, I like the packaging. Interesting, interesting. All black, so fancy. Oh, and it says Juliet. It's like gloss spot, UV spot. That is the way it's printed. Looks really fancy. And so the adventure begins, it says. Okay, the mat. Siser high-tech cutting mat. HTV was that? It's so curvy, so maybe it's gonna become flat. Okay, that. And then the machine. I like the shape, it's like round. Oh, am I gonna drop it? So heavy. Oh, it's so heavy, oh my god. Ooh, wow. Wait, okay, there's too many things in the way. I'm gonna put this back here. So it's inside this bubble thing. They're like, sorry, I broke it. And then it's shrink wrapped too. Wow. Nice. Makes sense, you don't want any dust getting in there, I guess. Ooh, looks nice. Look, I like the it's huge, so much bigger than I thought. And like, what is this shape? It looks like a huge cylinder. Okay. And cut the shrink wrap from the back, it's easier. Oh wow. Wow. That's great. Ow. Oh, I gotta grab my feet. Okay. Wow, that's pretty. Like, I opened it, but where am I gonna put this for now? I don't know. But beautiful. There's a screen. Everything. Oh, she looks magnificent. So shiny. Wow.
Ja, wie ich. Ah, やっぱり。おお。
Look it.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, looky. He's too excited. She wanna lick the move.
Bye-bye, Lucky.
We're going on a hike, on a ride. We're going on a VTT ride.
Est-ce qu'il veut conduire? Comment ça va conduire?
Lucky. It's not yours. It's not yours. Move. I don't know. I can drive to get there. First time I tried this every little move. I'm sure it sounds better with this than now. We got a box to collect tiny things. And then I brought I brought my sketchbook, and then a sun pen. This multicolor one is my favorite, and then a Caran pen and 2 color pencils, black liner. Try to think of your gun plan. I was thinking like you know, small moss like this. Like this, it could be good. Tiny leaves, or like the green is so tiny. It's nice.
Que l'eau revient plus.
Why is this like so brown suddenly?
C'est là que c'est vidé.
Ouais. C'est empty? Ah! What the fuck? This is weird. Should I put it? Should have brought my. Oops. Yeah, I thought I didn't need it, but maybe I would have needed next time.
Je ne pas qu'elle reparte à la même place.
Petite maudite. Elle apprend pas de ses erreurs, hein? I'm drawing tiny trees. Tiny dying trees. And she Ew, c'est là c'est comme c'est raide, hein? Ça serait pour pogner de ça, une motte.
Et ça se défait, ça. Regarde, regarde ici.
Peut-être comme ça. Tu le lèves, What else should I pick? Hey, je vais me casser la gueule. Je vais tomber et me rouler en bas demain.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Le pied! Did I break my phone? No. More than that. Still haven't used. Packaging material for my collection. Free beginner machine class. That's this, a cover. Seems like. Okay. How do I get this out of here? Oh, I see it. Yeah. Oh. Nice. Very cute, very small. Oh my god, I thought it would be so much bigger. What is this? Huh. So I guess if you use the number there, you can set up some, I don't know, stitching, like border stuff, decorative, how do you call it, decorative, that's so cute, the hearts, what? So I wanted to set it here, like full time. So I guess it's perfect because I can plug it down there, and then I made a small shelf here with all the sewing stuff, a bunch of stuff laying on the ground still. But I'm getting there. Like, this is what it looks like now. I didn't show anything, I think. Yesterday I was working on this. There's a bunch of beads there, knitting stuff, books. My Animal Crossing Monopoly. Cute decoration stuff that my mom had. Some books, yeah. I'll see that. And then it's also the place where we work out, but I don't. I don't right now. Whoops. And yeah, this you saw already. What else? This new. Oh, I tagged everything because I can't remember what's inside of what, so I tagged everything. And then I think I want to set up the sticker machine there and put the printer here. It's kind of high, but the only button for the printer is at the front here, so I can reach, and then putting the paper on top is not really difficult, so I'm gonna test it. But because the sticker cutting machine, there is like a LED screen on top, LED LCD, a screen on the top, so if I put it here, I'm way too short, I can't see like anything, so it doesn't work. So yeah, I need to test this. It's getting there, it's gonna be cute. It's like messy but not too bad. I'm getting there. And this is gonna be cute. Ooh, I'm excited to sew something. I have like a lot of fabric I designed, so I want to order something and have it delivered. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of my stationery stuff. I still have all the Japanese tags. I'm gonna have to change all of this. But yeah, I don't know where to store this because yeah, I can't reopen my store yet. I want to open an Etsy store, but I need to figure out the shipping. So you've reached the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and probably in the next vlog I'll be testing this machine. Next week I have a lot of work to do, like my side job. So I don't know what I'm gonna film yet, but I really wanna test this machine and all the million different paper that I bought. So that might finally be the next vlog. I need to install the software and everything. I haven't even opened it, like it just been sitting there for a week. So yeah, for next week, for next vlog in 2 weeks, we're gonna work on this. So see you then. Bye.